Well, some of us have probably paid enough library fines to put another wing on the library because we forget to take the books back and all that. We pay our taxes late. We pay penalties on those things. We're impulsive. We speed. We get a lot more speeding tickets. We pay more for insurance when we do that. Not only do we pay for the ticket, but we pay for the insurance. Um, we have accidents. We have to pay the deductible on our insurance to fix the car, and we quit our jobs prematurely, and so then we have a lack of income for a while. People with ADHD spend a lot of money that just gets wasted. And it's, again, we talk about things that reverberate. If you have financial problems and now you've got another $600 speeding ticket to pay, that doesn't exactly help you out, right? So that's the ADHD tax in a way. And when you begin to manage that, when you put your bills on automatic, or if you schedule them so that you'll get them, write the check if you're still writing checks, when you start to manage that, now you're not paying a $34 overdraft fee at your bank, which people with ADHD pay a lot of. When you stop paying those things, it may be that the income you have is actually sufficient to make it work. But if you're paying, I don't know, $200 to $800 a month in ADHD tax money, which is very conservative, I would imagine, especially if you throw in income tax penalties and things like that, because I have no idea what the stats are, but a huge number of people with ADHD don't do their taxes on time. And then they don't actually do them until they start getting a lot of nasty mail from the IRS. And by that time, they're worse than the mafia. By the time they add all those penalties on there, it's huge. So the ADHD tax is very real. If for no other reason in your life, maybe you're happy with the way things are going, you've got great friends and all that kind of stuff. If no other reason to manage it is to get rid of all that wasted money that you're putting out there. Everybody has rent to pay or mortgages to pay. We all have certain things that we have to pay, groceries and all that. But we don't have to be paying late fees and all these other things that we end up paying. And that doesn't take a whole lot of consciousness to drop that number way down. And that's just found money. You don't have to ask your boss for a raise. It's just found money. You talk about internal self-talk, and we beat ourselves up because, oh, I paid another one of those. Why do I keep doing that? And so we're kind of always either in a downhill spiral or an uphill spiral. We're always moving one direction or the other. I don't think we're in equilibrium very much. It seems like things are either getting better in our lives or they're getting worse. And so I'd rather have them getting better. And that takes just a little bit of consciousness to do that.